Check out this 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom condo at Hillcrest Park Condominiums. Coming right in the front door, you have a spacious living area right alongside a dining room and galleyway kitchen. Down the hall, you have 2 large bedrooms, both featuring walk-in closets. Accompanying the bedrooms, you have a full bathroom with extra space for storage. Now getting to the grounds. Hillcrest Park sits on a 12-acre property in central Albuquerque. There are 16 living buildings with 268 units on board. When you buy in Hillcrest Park, it gives you access to the clubhouse, which has a gym and a sauna, as well as a swimming pool and a hot tub. It also gets you access to the playground. And even though you have washer and dryer hookups inside your own unit yourself, you also have washer and dryer opportunity in the common area. This has been another listing presentation by the CQ Real Estate Group, powered by Keller Williams Realty. Thank you guys for watching. Please DM us if you have any questions or give us a call. Hope you guys have a beautiful rest of the week.